Have you ever been in a situation where you felt left out? Were you the only girl in your soccer team? Did your team members not involve you in a group project? Hi, I'm Sheel, and I started playing soccer when I was 7 years old. I was the only girl in my team. When I started, at first, it did not matter to me that I was the only girl on my team. I slowly started realizing that it was odd being the only girl on my team. Did you know that 250 million people play soccer around the world, and only 29 million girls play soccer? That is around only 10%. With 3 billion followers worldwide, soccer is amongst the most popular sports globally. Don't you think that there's such a big difference, and it's really odd? Thankfully, I did not know this when I started playing. I started noticing the difference when the ball was not passed to me. However, I did not let that stop me from playing. Nobody passed me the ball, so I asked them, "Hey, please pass the ball to me. I'm also a part of the game. Football is a team game. You should pass and involve everyone." In life, we face different situations, but we have to stay committed. Let me tell you of a time where I felt left out. In school, I was bothered by a girl in my class. At first, it made me feel bad that why was she leaving me out of activities? I wondered, what was it about me she did not like? I realized that I couldn't get her to change. So I had two strategies. I either could go and sulk, or I could say, if she's going to try to trouble me, I won't get troubled. I will stay committed at my activity. So if she's going to start saying, "Hey, don't do this," I'm going to get into that thing. I remember this at the soccer field. Thanks to me and seeing me, a lot of more girls have come to play soccer. So never let anybody stop you from what you love to do.